Are you having a problem carrying all of your workmen in a truck that can carry your men and your equipment? Your Isuzu gas truck is your solution to this problem. We have the horsepower 350 on this gas unit. We have an automatic transmission. We have everything in this truck. We fit 3 in the front, 4 in the back. Look at this. We have a camera here, a backup camera for safety, and look at the space. These door openings are great to get in and out of the truck. Also, now, this is really important. Your equipment is getting damaged, right? All of the damage from the rain and the heat in Texas. My solution to the landscapers is this Smyrna box truck. We have 14 foot of space here. We've added a toolbox under here to give you some access to outside things that you want outside. But I want to show you this 14 foot. We've added TER dovetail. So here we are. We have 2 separate ramps. Come on in and see this. Here's what we've done. This is going to do 2 things for you. It's going to keep your equipment out of the sun, expanding the lifespan. Also, we've built this with plywood lining. You can add the same shelves that you would otherwise. Also, look, we have a roll-up door. You can lock this roll-up door for safety against anti-theft. Some of our insurance companies see a benefit, give you a better discount. Also, you notice that we've added the air vents both there and in the front here to give you the breathing space you need for the gas equipment. This truck is ready to go at Sealy, Texas. Oh, one more thing, advertising. That magnificent 14-foot box of space can be used to advertise so everyone knows who you are. Paula, 408-655-8889. Call me.